You open Artistly AI, excited to turn your script into a polished video, maybe for YouTube, marketing, or social media. But a few minutes later you wonder, is this going to look good, or will it feel cheap, robotic, and generic? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test the tools that claim to simplify your creative work, to find out if they truly deliver or just add complexity. Today we're diving deep into Artistly AI in 2026, one of the rising AI video generators promising fast video creation. But is it really worth using this year or just another fad? I spent a full week testing Artistly AI across several use cases: short social media clips, marketing promos, and a small tutorial video. I wrote original scripts, provided voiceovers, and compared the final output with manually edited videos. I also compared Artistly AI against similar tools like Pictory, Runway, and InVideo to see where it stands in 2026. On top of that, I reviewed user feedback on forums and social media to gather real beginner and professional experiences. After all of that, testing, editing, feedback, I formed a clear opinion about whether Artistly AI delivers real value. Artistly AI claims to be a full-stack video generator. You input your script, choose a style, add a voiceover, or let AI generate narration, and get a ready-to-share video in minutes. It promises fast video creation without editing skills, stock footage and AI-generated visuals, auto-synced voiceovers and subtitles, social media optimization, aspect ratio, captions, etc. But does it deliver quality, or does the speed cost you polish? And is the price worth what you get? Let's analyze. Step 1. Speed and ease of use. Creating a 60-second promo from script to final render took under 10 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. Even absolute beginners can generate a draft video fast. That's a major plus if you need quick content. Step 2. Visual quality and variety. For simple videos using stock clips, the visuals are decent. Color grading, transitions, and stock footage flow nicely. But for more specific content, unique scenes, custom angles, detailed storytelling, the result feels generic, and stock footage can become repetitive. Step 3. Audio and voiceover. The AI-generated voiceover is clear and polished. Subtitles sync well, and background music adds a professional touch. However, for content needing emotion or authenticity, like storytelling or personal messages, the synthetic voice may feel too robotic. Step 4. Flexibility and editing control. Artistly AI allows basic adjustments, clip ordering, text overlays, simple edits. But it lacks advanced controls, fine color correction, motion graphics, or frame-level trimming, so you trade power for convenience. Step 5. Price versus value. For casual marketers or social media creators, the subscription price is reasonable given the speed and convenience. For professionals or serious content creators needing more control, the limitations may make the cost feel restrictive. Step 6. Real-world use cases and limitations. For simple promotional videos, social posts, or quick ads, Artistly AI works well. But for long-form content, storytelling, tutorials, or cinematic videos, the generic stock-based output and limited editing flexibility fall short. Pros: fast, easy video generation, great for quick content, no editing skills required, clean interface and intuitive workflow, useful for social media clips, promos, ads, short-form content. Cons: limited visual uniqueness, stock footage becomes repetitive, AI voiceover lacks emotional depth, limited editing control and customization, not ideal for high-quality, long-form or cinematic videos. If you need quick content and don't have video editing skills, Artistly AI can save you time and effort. But if you aim for polished, professional-grade videos and with unique visuals and creative control, you might outgrow it fast. In short, Artistly AI is a solid tool for fast basic video production in 2026, but not a full replacement for traditional editing tools. If this review helped you decide whether Artistly AI fits your needs, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We test the tech, tools, and apps creatives actually use. Hit like if this was helpful and tell me in the comments. What kind of videos do you plan to make? Short promos, social clips, or full edits? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where your tools meet real testing.